Today I'm showing you Hanso Roll, which is a sushi joint. Also a very interesting place. You might actually remember this place because I was here a week ago and I showed you the Chosen One restaurant. I'll put a link to that review at the end of this video. The idea here at the sushi joint is basically like an order and go, but you can also sit down because they have this counter here. And today I'm going to enjoy one of their sets, which is a combo 6. And looks like we have here negi toro, we've got salmon, spicy tuna, there's some king crab here. They also have unagi and lobster, so that all seems very good. What's unique about this place is they don't dump all the sushi rolls in front of you right away. They actually do it one by one, so the seaweed stays nice and dry. This is the negi toro, and you kind of make your own sushi in a way because you could have fold it yourself. So I've never done this before, but let's go. Put it together. There we go. Then we roll it. Is this right?
You fold it tight.
Tight?
Yeah.
Oh, and now?
Yes.
And now what? Do I do like this?
Yes, of course. Pick it up and roll.
Oh, pick it up and roll.
Yes.
I've never needed instructions on how to eat my sushi before. It's my first try, so okay,
yeah,
so now
that's right.
And now just like this.
Yeah, then be tight. More,
more tight. Okay, next time, okay?
By your hands.
It's exciting. I've never actually eaten sushi with just my hands. You're very good, man. Wow. Don't be shy. Come, give us a thumbs up there. Ginger?
No,
not
lotus root.
So yeah, usually you would get ginger with your sushi, but over here it's lotus root. Okay, next one. I'm ready. I don't know if you noticed, but even the rice is a different color. They do it like in red vinegar. This is the king crab roll. This is something really new to me, having to roll my own sushi. Chef, next. This one is the spicy tuna, and this one really looks beautiful. This is, I think, my favorite as far as look-wise. Check that out. Let's try my sushi rolling skills again. Okay, so compact, lift it up, roll. Okay, so what do you think? This is good.
Of course.
Fresh water eel. I'm working my way through the set over here. This is number 5, right?
Yep.
Okay. These people also deliver, so you can use Grab Food, Lineman, and Robin Hood. Okay. Next. This is my last sushi roll, and I think I did a pretty good job of rolling this one. So this is the avo cream cheese, and this one is really delicious. Definitely my favorite. I like this.
Take this.
Amazing, thank you.
Thank you.
Oh, that was really so good. A very different way of enjoying your sushi. And now it's time for dessert. This is the matcha daifuku. You can really see the matcha in here. See that? That was amazing. Right from my own hand-rolled sushi rolls to this dessert over here, it's a very cool experience. Nice place too, friendly staff,